Hey you guys, it is Aden and welcome back to my channel. Now, I am as shocked as you guys are because I was yapping about losing my hair after treating it and then going bald. And today I went and did my hair again, which was really unexpected for me because I wasn't really going to do it. It just happened all of a sudden. Like I did not have a plan. It's just that yesterday when I came home, my friend was like, I'm going tomorrow. Are you coming? And I just made up my mind. Went today, got it done. And now, yeah, I'm sitting right in front of you guys and validating whatever I did. Okay, now, if you guys do not know what happened is I have smoothened my hair maybe three times before. Three times before, yeah. This is my fourth or fifth time, not sure, but I've done it three times, I remember. And I did it from the same place. And every year I did do my hair, like I did smoothing. Every year I would lose so much hair and then I would have new hair growth and it would just look odd. Like I can put a picture of what my hair looked like. You might have seen it because I used to roam in that halat. In all my vlogs, I am with that hair. So that happened and I used to be like, okay, I'm losing my hair, I might just go bald. And I did make up my mind and I was going to do it. And I knew I had to do it before December if I was doing it, or after December, because in December, January, we have functions. A lot of functions are on the list and I cannot go there with like undone hair or like bald hair. So I thought, because they said my college would be done in August, I thought August I'll go bald, and then after that I might grow my hair back. I don't have a problem growing my hair. It grows really fast. If I cut my hair today, within 1 month my hair length will be increased. But when I'm losing hair, there is no new hair growth. That is what I'm trying to say. So that is why I was like, okay, I will do it in August. August, see, my college, you guys know about my college, right? So August, they were like, no, next month is the last, till next month you have college, and now it is September. So for now they're telling that in September I will have classes, and then from October onwards we have leave, and after that we have exams. So we have 1 month to study. So if I cut my hair in October, but yeah, we have picnics. In October, we have a lot of things, like we have picnics in this. November, nothing like that. But December, again, there is wedding. So initially, I thought, let me not do anything for the next 3 months. After December, after everything is done, I'll just go bald. Till then, I will, manage with whatever hair I have. Let me just get a blow dry brush and I can, you know, do jugaad with that. That is what I was thinking. That was what was on my mind. But then it was so difficult to look at my hair in that condition. I just felt so unpresentable. Like when my hair is straight, I just feel so much more confident. I'm so much more presentable. It's just very easy when the hair is done. When the hair is not done and when that hair looks like that, I used to feel so insecure about my looks, and that is why I started doing the clean girl aesthetic. In that way, my hair would be back. But even after some time, that also would, like, my hair would just come out because I don't have a mousse. I use aloe vera gel to set my hair in a clean girl bun. So with that also, I was like, okay, no, let me just get it done once. And I thought I'd take the chance, go to the salon and do it. This time, all the three times I used the hair smoothing of the Shrieks company, and those people, I went to a different salon this time, and those people that told me that, you know what, go for the L'Oreal one. They had some offer. So L'Oreal one was a bit higher than the Shrieks one. And I was like, okay, fine, let me just go to L'Oreal one. And this time, when I got it done, obviously I had to hear a lot of things like, what happened to your hair? How is it damaged? So before they could say me anything, I already told them, see, my hair is um, not right. It's all damaged. I don't know. I've done it three times. All the three times I've done my hair has ended up looking like this. Like there is short hair in the front, and then other hair is all fine. So they were like, okay, fine. They did little like again and again. Be like, how? is your hair damaged a lot? Half of the reason my hair is damaged is because of me. Because if you don't remember, I colored it during the month of April, my birthday time, 2 years back, and that was such a bad look for my hair, and that hair color is still there on my hair. And mostly when there is hair color and then they smoothen it, it doesn't, you know, uh, get smoothened that much because there is hair color. So if you're doing it on a natural black hair, the hair is smoothened a bit more, like a lot more, not a bit more. So with that, and also I have a lot of hair fall every time I do keratin. I knew this. Even after knowing all this, I was like, let me take a chance, and I went and I got it done. And I really feel good about my hair because see, going bald is a big thing. I was not lying when I said that I would go bald because I literally told everybody. I have a best friend. I told her I will go bald, and in the first she was like, no, don't do it. And then she understood what my problem was. She saw my damaged hair and she's like, I didn't to do it if it's necessary. But before that, let's just give this straightening a shot. And if this is fine, then there is no need to bald. So I was simply overreacting. But then again, after doing this, it's the same case. I will go bald. I am not kidding. I will do it. I wouldn't straighten my hair if there were no functions, because see, those functions are like very important functions to me. I have to look good in all those functions. There's no point I'm looking like with that hair. So I will like going bald is not the best option. After that, yeah, but for like till December, I have to do something. So I just got my hair done. It seemed much more simpler. So um, yeah, I got it done. Done. And this time they have like promised me nothing would happen to my hair, and I've trusted them so much because I went to a different place. I thought maybe the place I go to, because all 3 years I've done it there and all 3 years I've had this breakage. So I was like, maybe the place I go to, that brand I use, maybe that is not um, suitable for my hair, and that is why it keeps breaking. So let me just go for a new place, go try a new brand, because see, I have to give it a fair chance, to be honest. I know 3 times I've lost my hair and all that, but 3 times it was the same brand, same place. So maybe some other place, some other brand would really work for me, and that is why it. I took the decision. I went decision. I took this decision. I went and I got my hair done. I went today, like the day I'm shooting this video, Monday. We went in the morning, 10 o'clock. Me and my best friend. We went there. We got it done. We came back 1:45 something, and even in the house, like my granny was freaking out when I told her I'm going to bald my hair, and my grandpa shouted at me. So when I went, they were like, "Ah, see, now it looks nice. You didn't have to go bald. It looks nice, better." So I was like, "Yeah, I did it, but this doesn't work. Means again, I will go bald. Like there is no option. I'll start growing my hair from the root and go back to my curly girl era, because most of the people said me I look so good with curly hair. And once I started doing the curly hair routine, I loved my curly hair. And then I told you guys, even in that time, I predicted that don't trust me. One day I'll get up and go and get my hair straightened, and the next day I did that. So this time it's just that I'm giving it a chance. I'm giving it a shot. If this works, I'd be so grateful, not run into a hurry and go bald. But if this doesn't, then going bald is the option, and I will do it. And with that being said, I had to just put this out there because I kept yapping about going bald, and then suddenly I come up with straight hair. People are going to be like, why wasn't she talking about going bald, and what did she do? So I just had to clear the air. And the reason why I'm all dolled up, like not dolled up, but like I look like makeup and all. I shot 4 5 reels before this, and all this is the reel ka natija, and I really like the eye look. So yeah, this is the reason I'm pretty. I did not go to the salon like this, I swear to God. And yeah, this is the story behind me impulsively going and chaining my hair, getting it done. That's it. I'll meet you guys in the next one, and also will be giving an update about the hair fall or whatever happens after the fourth hair treatment. So wish me luck. Fingers crossed this time everything goes good. I don't have to go bald because I don't want to do it. Like I don't have a problem, but again, like you know how it goes, like when you go bald and then people are going to be like, oh, why did she go bald? Is something wrong with their health? No, my hair. So it's very hard to like explain things, but yeah, this time hoping for the best. I hope everything turns good. Bye.